Hi, my name's Ben Wright, Head of Growth here at Sendspark, and today we're going to walk you through how you can use video as part of your nonprofit efforts. And so, to cover off what we're going to be talking about today, we're first going to just discuss why video for nonprofits, why you should be using video as part of kind of your operational motions, how you can use video, so some very specific use cases and case studies that have proven to be effective when using video for nonprofits, some video best practices. So, if you were to implement video, what are some things that you need to focus on getting right? And then finally, a demo of Sendspark to show you how you can use stuff like personalized AI video to really drive additional value for your nonprofit organization. Let's dive in. So, why video for nonprofits, first of all? So, in today's kind of digital age, I think nonprofits are facing kind of unprecedented opportunities and also challenges. And so, if we look at the way of the world at the moment, with obviously inflation impacting funding, standing out and kind of engaging supporters has never been more crucial. And even according to like the National Center of Charitable Statistics, the average nonprofit is seeing a 4% revenue decline every kind of year on year. And so I think as competition for donor attention and donor dollars intensifies, finding innovative ways to connect with your audience is essential. And so using video can be a really powerful tool that transforms how you communicate, engage, and fundamentally fundraise as well. And so if we talk about why video, videos become really an essential medium for both storytelling and communication because it combines both visual and audio elements. It creates a really kind of engaging, memorable experience. And so the reason that video works is fundamentally because video conveys emotions more effectively than text or images, showing the impact of things like donations, telling compelling stories, and ultimately creating a deeper connection with viewers. And so videos are great for that emotional connection, which is fundamentally a component of why people donate to charities. Plus, videos are really versatile. They can be used in like social media posts, email campaigns, website content, etc. And so fundamentally, like I think that is one of the reasons that that video is a really great medium for nonprofits and why people should really in the nonprofit world be investing in video as a medium to push out as part of their business. So, what are some kind of specific use cases that you can use video for as part of your kind of nonprofit? So, let's explore kind of five very strategic ways that I think you can use video to enhance your outreach and impact. So, the first would be kind of personalized thank you videos. So, these show kind of your appreciation by acknowledging kind of individual donors. And so, for example, you can use platforms like Sendspark to automate a lot of this, whereby if somebody was to donate to your charity, either via your website or in other ways, you could send a personalized thank you message from your CEO highlighting the impact of that donor's contribution. So that could be the first one. The second is kind of impact stories. So you could record direct impacts of donations with stories from like the beneficiaries or projects. So you could create kind of short form videos featuring beneficiaries and then distribute them out using, again, a platform like Sendspark to personalize each one with AI. The third would be gala invitations. So personalized video invitations that add a special touch in addition to maybe follow up after, a gala or a dinner to say, hey, thanks for attending, Ben. Here is, the event, the cause we were raising money for if you'd like to donate again. So that's another really good way. The fourth is event recaps. So you could share highlights from your events to maintain engagement with supporters. So you can compile stuff like key moments, etc., to thank attendees and donors. And then the fifth is like urgent appeals, right? So more of the reactive type of appeals and donation components where video can communicate urgency, it can communicate like the weight and the importance, and so video can be used a lot more effectively than text. So you could quickly produce videos, personalize them again with AI platforms such as Sendspark, and then send them out to your donor community to get additional donations, faster as well. So those are 5 very tactical and strategic ways that you can use video as part of your nonprofit outreach and effort. So you've now kind of made the decision to use video as part of your nonprofit efforts, but what are some video best practices? What are some things to ensure that your videos are both high quality and effective? And so I've got a few tips that I'll share with you, some very simple ones to ensure that all your videos are brilliant. The first one would be to plan your content. So make sure your message is kind of solidified beforehand. You have a script and it's very concise and impactful. The second would be ensure good lighting. So natural light is best, but use soft diffuse lighting as well if you're indoors. The third would be use a quiet location and use a quality microphone for obvious reasons in terms of audio quality. The fourth would be like keep it steady. So use a platform like Sendspark that enables you to record video directly from your laptop because the camera quality is going to be good and it's going to be, a steady, decent video. And then the fifth would be just engage with the camera. So again, video is used to show your personality. And so make sure that you're expressive when you're kind of recording the video. So those would be kind of 5 tips that I would use. And then the sixth one, I would just say use scalable tools. So again, we've talked about a couple of times in this video how you can use an AI video platform like Sendspark, where instead of having to record lots of individual personalized videos, you can record one video and then personalize it at scale through the use of AI. So the final tip would be utilize the tools and the technology that are out there in order for you to kind of really operationalize video and scale it out effectively. Okay, so how can you use Sendspark to create some of the AI personalized campaigns that we've discussed during the video today? And so I'm going to walk you through how easy it is to create an AI personalized video campaign inside of the Sendspark platform, how you get it set up, what the end result is for you, for your end users, and then finally how you'd be able to push this out to your kind of donors as well. So this is the Sendspark platform. Fundamentally, the first step inside of a Sendspark dynamic video campaign is, of course, to film a video, record a video. And so you'd record your video into this kind of modal here. You turn on our AI voice cloning, and what that's going to do is learn your voice, learn your tone. And so when we start to scale this out, it's as simple as recording one video, turning on AI voice cloning, and every person that you're wanting to reach out to would now receive a fully personalized version of that video. The second component that you can set up inside of Sendspark is a customized share or landing page. And so imagine now you've sent this personalized video out to somebody that's just donated to a campaign, for an example. Well, what you could do as part of that is then send them like a kick them to a landing page where there's more information about the campaign. And so what you're able to do is not only send a video out to say thank you, but also give them either more information about the campaign or maybe even encourage them to donate to another campaign. So you could create these fully customized landing pages that would come with your own nonprofit logo, some additional functionality, as well as a CTA. And then when you're ready to generate your videos, all you'd need to do is basically import contacts into the Sendspark platform. So these could be people that have just previously donated to a campaign, as we've discussed during this video. You could also automate this via an API connector, meaning that every time somebody makes a donation, these videos are automatically generated and sent out. But let's just say, for example, we've imported these contacts into the Sendspark platform, and I work now for the American Red Cross, and I've donated to this Land of Lakes Foundation matching campaign that they've got set up. And my name's Luke. Here is kind of what the video would look like that I would receive from, let's say, your CEO at American Red Cross. Hey, Bert. Thank you so much for your donation to our cause. Every donation really helps. And so that would be to somebody called Bert. This would be to somebody called Luke. Hey, Luke. Thank you so much for your donation to our cause. Every donation really helps. And so through your generosity, we'll be able to carry out all the work that we need to. So fundamentally now, imagine I am, XYZ person that comes to the website and donates. Imagine now this video is automated from the CEO of the American Red Cross to say personally to me, thank you so much for donating to this campaign. it's a really nice touch point. It really shows that somebody matters. And all you've had to do is, again, record one video, import them as contacts, and now you can create 10, 100, 1,000 fully personalized videos to be sent out to people that have donated to your campaign. And so fundamentally, that's the kind of creation, how easy it is to set up a campaign, how easy it is to generate videos. And then we have multiple integrations. So whether you use, an email marketing platform to send, emails out to potential donors, we integrate with all those platforms. So now it's a simple case of pushing these videos into your email marketing or automation platform and sending those out for donors. So that's a little bit around, how you could use Sendspark to create fully AI personalized videos for some of the use cases that we've described in this video. So let's finish up by recapping the key points on how video can elevate your nonprofit's outreach. So firstly, we discussed the power of video for emotional engagement, high reach, and versatility. And to recap, video conveys emotions and stories more effectively, leading to higher engagement across numerous kind of social platforms. The second thing we highlighted was 5 strategic ways to use video in your nonprofit business today. And those included things such as personalized thank you videos, impact stories, gala invitations, event recaps, and urgent appeals. And finally, we covered some best practices for creating high quality videos, including planning your content, ensuring you have good lighting for your videos, choosing a quiet location, using kind of tech and platforms to scale out your videos, and keep it kind of short and sweet. So by incorporating these strategies and best practices, your nonprofit can leverage the power of video to create deeper connections with supporters, drive more engagement, and elevate your mission to new heights. If you're looking for a platform that enables you to record high quality videos whilst also incorporating some of the AI functionality that we discussed today, then sign up for Sendspark, and I'll include the link at the end of the video. Cheers.